cold Tuesday, January 31st. A lot has changed. A lot of rain, a lot of frost and snow, and I'm going to try to go down here without busting my butt. Wow, that was scary. Last thing I need is to break my hip. Ooh. You see the difference when the water comes up? That rocks. And orange. Osage orange. Whoa, it was like 23 degrees. There's that amazing log, or that tree right there. Snap. Boom. A lot of baby minnows. That's kind of neat. Tree down. Huh. See what we can do here. Let's go here. Very beautiful. So nice. From all this rain and snow, the water has definitely came up a little bit. Oh, ho, ho. Nice and clear though. See? Very beautiful. This is when the fish move. I like it. When the water comes up like this, give chance fish that's been trapped in these little shallow pockets, they get to go down to deeper water. Oh, the last video about gigging fish. So, okay, my videos are unedited, okay? What I meant to say was that when you go gigging fish for carp and suckers, non-game fish, you get to see other fish. Okay? You get to see all the game fish where they are at. That's what I got to learn. I learned a lot by going out at night, you know, go fish gigging. And you know what I find amazing? Is that carp, these yellow carp, they like to go in pairs. There's like either, you know, male, female, and they'll be so full of eggs. Hey, look at this. This thing is still here. Imagine that. This piece is still here. Well, I'm gonna put it up higher. I might come back for that thing. Yes. Gigging carp. I don't like to gig those suckers, you know, those hog suckers. I like carp better. Ooh, look at this. The water is like right there. Can you all see? Yep. Be not afraid. I go before you. Come, follow me, and I will give you. Ooh. The pressure walking in water. Oh, that's what it is. Look at that tree. That sycamore is going down. And I'm gonna go look at what it looks like here. Make sure that I don't slip and fall. That's what it looks like. See, in the summertime, in the springtime, when you know what it looks like. So I would be standing over there, casting this way. So you just gotta go slowly. I should get a walking stick, because these rocks are pretty slick. Now you can see up further, that's Mr. Sam Taylor's house. Yes, gigging carp only, non-game fish. And One time I was gigging on this creek, just way up there, probably another half a mile. There was no rocks, no boulder. It was at the bend of this creek, and there was nothing in the middle. It was just open like this, and the water was probably maybe 7 feet deep. And there was no place for the fish to hide. There was a lot of fish in there, right? But there was this crack going straight down the creek. I bet you that like, it's, I don't know, it's just like flat rock bottom, smooth all the way through. But there was this crack in the middle of the creek. It looked like a big old rock, just like the floor is just split, barely split. And that, believe it or not, the fish had nowhere else to hide. All of them, they were all lined up along this crack, straight up and down the middle. All the game fish. You know, you see the bass, the rock bass, bluegill. That's like the only place they have to hide was like this little crack right down the creek. And I was like, oh. So, fish structures, ladies and gentlemen, because they like that. That's the only safety thing. That's what I learned. There's another spot. Where something goes up and down. That creek's probably a deer trail. Oh boy. You guys see behind me? And these rocks here are slick. Taking you up the creek, further up the creek. Whoa. This is man, I need a walking stick. This is well, look at Mr. Taylor's house. Isn't that thing a beaut? Oh. What a nice place. I'm gonna get ready to build myself one too, so I can be in the creek. Oh wow. So pretty. So beautiful. And scary. I did squat yesterday, so the legs is a little sore. Isn't that beautiful? Imagine Mr. Taylor sitting up there, seeing this. Woo! Beautiful. Well, herons up there, blue heron. I would be too. I sit still, wait for a little minnow to come by, and bam! smorgasbord. Wow. You see the ice on the stick. He's probably inside there thinking, man, that Palm kid, he either is crazy or he really, really loves this creek. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Oh. What a nice spot. All these trees. All these trees bending over this creek. Get this view. Calm down, doggies. Ooh. Huh. Just imagine, some of these trees are so big. Why do I always think back in history? I always think, man, that tree was alive when Abraham Lincoln was president. I don't even know why that president more than any other president, you know. Ooh. Man, I need to get a walking stick. This is crazy. Just think, look underneath there. Dun, dun, dun. Something comes flying out. You guys see anything? Gold nuggets. We just want to make past this tree without it falling down on us. Ooh. I made it. There you go. You guys see that? Isn't that awesome? January 31st. Will you look at that? Look at this view here. Look at this bluff. And Mr. Taylor's house is right there. Ooh. Tom would build him a sauna and hop into the water. Oh no, what is that? Is that an arrowhead? Can I see that? Is that an arrowhead? Well, I ain't picking it up. We'll let it go. How about that? All right. Unedited. Oh man. Yeah. I wonder how many people. 400 subscribers. Oh man, that's amazing. Wow. There's a little bird hunting along the creek. Man, it's tough out here. If you have to hunt something, there's not very much food around here. Deer and what else? Nothing. Squirrels, rabbits. Don't have very much. Oh boy. Rocky bluffs like that, creek. If I was a rattlesnake, or if I was a copperhead, that's where I'll be in the spring and the summertime. Oh yeah. You guys see, make sure there's no tigers behind me. Let me know if you see anything creaking up behind me. Let's go see this beautiful root wad system. Look at that. Right there. I think like trees talk. That's how they communicate, I think. That's what my grandfather's always told me. He said, you heard one tree, you cut down one tree, the other trees already know. Because that's how, see? Look at all that fiber optic. Oh, look at all that. That is Mother Nature design right there. Look at that. Nice. Ooh. That's nice. Boy. Dog. That's what we went through so far. And nice. I never knew it looked like that. All those nice rocks. T Road is just over the ridge, the bend. You cross the bridge, you go past N Road. Ooh. Look at this root wad system. That's kind of neat, huh? Let's get back in the water. Yep. Yeah. Let me see here. Gigging fish. That's what gets me excited. I get to see what kind of fish. That's where I get to learn to study it, you know what kind of fish are in there. Wow, look at that big old tree. Maybe that tree right there is George Washington time. Woo! Out of that. Yeah, my mom and dad, father. My father used to be a conservation agent for Laos. Half of the country anyway. My father graduated college when he was 17 years old. Spoke French, English, I think a little bit of Mandarin, and well, Laos, Thai, that's almost the same thing. So, wow, this is beautiful up here. Whoa. Man, that'd be a nice place right there for a house. Look at all those rocks you can build with. See that? Look at all those creek rocks. Oh man, that's a beaut. Oh, look at that big sycamore right there. That's huge. Hugey. I could be walking over thousands and thousands of dollars worth of artifacts. You know what I'm saying? That's what you all can do. Whoa. These trees are so big. That's that tree there from the side. Look at that. My goodness, that one is dying though. That one right there. We're gonna keep chasing that heron further and further away. Okay, I think we're gonna stop our walk right about here. I'm gonna try to attempt to walk across this slick stuff. Whoa, ho, ho. This is... Oh, John, what are you doing, buddy? This is like not safe at all. Oh boy. Just because you want to look at that root wad, huh? Oh boy. Oh. Phew. Huh. Well, let's walk down this way. Yeah. Oh, mom and dad, my mom and dad are by the books. We don't have to, no matter how in America, no. Everything by the law. My mom don't condone that. It's just like there's plenty of fish. Do it right. She's the one. She makes sure that I hunt and fish responsibly. At that last spot where everybody was swimming at, I usually fishing is tough. It's really, really slow. So I just usually take a, I said catch crawdads. I have a pole that's crawdads, and I have the one that's night crawlers. What's so great about Walmart? Walmart sells night crawlers still. And, or I go buy some before they stop selling it for the winter. I put it in the refrigerator. You gotta have 2 refrigerators, people. Buy a cheap one. Dang it, man. Oh, look at these nice, beautiful rocks. Yeah. Dollar General. Give me that crap. I put it in my pocket. All these nice rocks. Wow. Oh boy. Look at all these rocks. It would look good on your in your yard. On your yard. In your yard. This is where it gets tricky. Well, Parmesan, what do you think, buddy? Should I walk down this? So that's what it looks like here in the springtime when I come up chasing the smallmouth. This is all shallow and rock are slick as heck. Ooh. Ooh. Walking with bent knees. Nice, nice. Need to relax a little bit here. Bracing myself for the fall here. Wow. Man, those dogs are still barking at me. They can't even see me. Sound like a little dog. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, last video. Sorry for my bad singing. It's pretty bad. Can't help it though. Sometimes you just feel like singing. What's that Forrest Gump say? Sometimes I just feel like running. So I just ran and ran. I'm just gonna walk and walk. Look at here. See that? That means somebody's been partying right here. Mr. Beaver. Where do all those snakes go in the wintertime? There has to be a snake pit somewhere around here. There has to be. Ooh, I would love to stumble into that. And of course, you know, you people know that Perry County has the biggest, one of the biggest cave system. Perry County. You got to come and check that out. They'll take you down there, I think. I don't know how much it costs. Maybe for just the equipment rental. And I have a friend that will take you. That's beautiful. Somebody need to put a house up there or a cabin. Golly, dog. Oh, got stuck in that rock. Oh boy. Yeah. So that's what it looks like, huh? It's where all the smallmouth bass is hanging out. Right here, huh? And right there. Man, whoever owns that property sure got some nice rocks. Ooh. Ooh. Going right down the middle. Wow, that's what it looks like here. I know you guys. Let me see here. Yep. Inside the bank there. That's where I would be if I was a fish. Stalking my little minnow friends. Hello, my little minnow friends. Come on in. If you are a little fish, don't ever trust the bigger fish. Well, heck, you can't even trust a little bass. You can't even trust a smallmouth bass. Probably like a largemouth bass. Oh, this is where they're at, huh? Ooh, yeah. This is where you be. I see. Okay. Now I know. You're coming to the deep or shallow here. Oh, it's getting shallower. Golly, dog. Whoa. Let's see what it looks like here. Nice. Very nice. Uh-oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? Come on. What is that? What is that? A thing in the water. What is that thing? What is that? Man. I'm sticking my hands in there. Oh. Uh-oh, this is... Okay, you can see the water shallow right there ahead of us. But right through here, though, this is... Oh. Look at that. It's like up to here. And then it just changes. Like up. See that now? Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. I'll probably watch this video one time and upload it. Oh, my mom, she's a toughie. She's a toughie. Doing good. The only thing she can do is rest. Oh, my mom can't rest very good. She's tough. She wants to get up and do things. But she's accepting it. She wants to go back to work. You know, my mom's 75 years old. She's still working. Well, she was working. She's 75 years old. And she's an operator on top of the line making popcorn. Down there in a little town called McBride, Missouri. McBride, Missouri. "75 years old. Dad's retired. Mom wants to work. All she worries about, I want to go back to work." Come on, I'm just 75 years old. She does everything. She still does her garden. This year, the neighbor raised some chickens, and those chickens tore up her garden, ate her tomatoes, some of her spices. But, you know, we want to get along with everybody. My neighbor's free-range chicken. It's free-ranging into Mom's garden. But what can she say? Deep water. Deep water. Going past Mr. Taylor's house. There's some more slick rock. Deep water right here. Deep water and that slick rock. We gotta go to where? So much better. Whoa. Can't see anyone. Might as well say bye. Getting cold. Oh, man. Even though I have gloves on, thumb's getting cold. See that? So pretty. Ice. Ding 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 ding. Ice, ice, baby. Ding 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 ding. Under pressure. Ding 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 ding. Under pressure. Bye, doggies. Man, you're kidding me, right? Shoot. No, don't you break. No, 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 no. Oh, oh no. Now I'm stuck. I got this thing iced up. Well, I can only take whatever I can. Put in my pop. The other one is stuck to the ice, like this one. Whoa. Like that. Very beautiful. See? I don't know if you guys find that beautiful, but sometimes I feel like I just want to walk. Just go. Just walk. And think. And think about good things. Whoa. Oh my God. I just realized that you see this sheet of ice right here? Look right here. All through right here. Right underneath here is like where all the minnows are at. Oh, I wish I could show you. I wish there are. Oh, they are like where all the minnows are at. See, they're not going to be out there in the open. Look at all these minnows. I mean, in this one little section here, underneath this ice sheet, and the rest of the creek here, that's what one thing I learned. See that? I'm out here walking and learning and studying this area. I want to know where are these little bitty minnows? Where do they go? Phew, they can't go too far. Wow. I want to, boy, I wish you guys can, I wish you can look slowly. Man, they are like underneath here. Must be millions of them. See, if I didn't walk down here today, I would have never known that. I would always thought that they would go to the deeper spot. We're talking about like there's a spot above the waterworks. They call the waterworks up probably like less than a mile from here, down this creek. I thought that's where they would all go, was deep water, probably like 20 feet deep. I thought that's where they would be, but I didn't know that they would be here in the shallows, hiding underneath this sheet of ice, hiding away from, I guess they can be here because all the big fish are in the deep spot, and they can hide underneath there, and the raccoons or whatever coming out can't chase them underneath there. This is my little ear mushroom spot here that doesn't produce anymore. Walking underneath these trees are a little bit sketchy, you know. If anything happens, nobody be out here to help me. Right where at this spot where there was that bug I almost grabbed, that bug with the fangs. I finally know what that bug is laying its eggs. That was a winged version of a helgramite. That's what it was, a helgramite. That has to be an otter. Something. What do you think would bring rocks up on a tree trunk? Probably smashing shells, clams, or beating something up against it. Let's go home. I call that good old grandma walnut tree. I wonder how many years she's been overlooking this beautiful creek. She's huge. Ooh. 400 subscribers. I appreciate y'all. Had a friend call from Iowa. Maybe I get to go help him fish out there in the Mississippi River. It's gonna be cold. We will see. Get back out there again. That river is dangerous. So dangerous. Welcome to Perryville, Missouri. The Ozark. Perryville, Missouri is part of the Ozark. Little nice, beautiful spot here. Sit down, and I can sit down and beautiful. Walking in the water. What it look like behind me. I'm gonna walk down this thing. Oh yeah. Saying hello to Grandpa Kaufman, Grandpa Clifton, and Mr. Larry Marr. That's my fishing crew. That's my fishing team. Them gents are all right. I need to come by and visit. Grandpa Kaufman just called and left a message. He says, you gotta come out and shoot some of these squirrels stealing my walnuts and my pecans. I'm like, yes sir, I will. Ooh. You're beautiful. Hey, shout out to a friend of mine that drives a truck. Ooh. I wish I could see what you see. He's driving the truck all over the United States, up in Canada. He always comes back and tell me stories about some. I always ask him, I said, so, what is the most beautiful place you've seen? Huh. He always come back and tell me all kinds of stories. Oh boy. And as y'all can see here, this big sycamore. Yep, now going up, going up, going up. There's a hole right in the middle there. Believe it or not, I saw ducks fly right into that trunk. Ducks. Oh, there's a woodpecker right there. Uh-oh. What is that? And here I am. And up there to the right is the cabin. And right here. Yeah, buddy. It's only 22 degrees out. And let's see what this thing looks like right now. Bunch of king cobras gonna come flying out of there. King cobra. Phew! Boy, I feel sorry for those people down in Florida. Burmese python. Man, you know how scary that is? Those things would just wait and kill you. I'm out! Ta-da! There it is. Huh. Good walking. Look at that water. It's like low. Nice and low. How low can you go? Thank you for walking with me. All right. Gym time. Go check on my mom. Check, see what's for supper. Catch you guys again soon, all right? Thank you for watching. Thank you for walking with me. Peace.